inverse. So we have to find the multiplicative inverse for the given complex number. So this is z. This is given complex number. Z is equal to 2 minus 3i. We have to find z inverse, that is inverse of the given complex number. So z inverse is equal to, the formula is z bar divided by mod z square. This is z inverse means multiplicative inverse, that is equal to what? Z bar, that is conjugate of z divided by mod z square. Okay, this is z. Okay, z is equal to 2 minus 3i. Then z bar becomes what? That is conjugate. If a plus ib is the given complex number z, then the conjugate of this complex number, that is z bar, is equal to what? A minus ib, right? This is already I explained in my previous classes, right? So this is z is equal to 2 minus 3i. Then what is z bar? That is 2 plus 3i, right? This is conjugate of z. Then we have to find mod z square. So we know that mod z, right? What is mod z? Mod z is equal to square root of a square plus b square. So then mod z square becomes what? Squaring on both sides. So whole square becomes, so square root and square gets cancelled. Mod z square means a square plus b square. Okay. Then for this complex number, mod z square is equal to what? A square. What is the value of a? 2. That is 2 square plus b square. B means minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to 2 square means 4 plus minus 3 the whole square means 3 into 3 means plus 9. So 4 plus 9 is equal to what? 13. Right? This is what? Mod z square. So therefore z inverse is equal to, so we know that what? Z bar by mod z square. So substitute the values. What is z bar? That is conjugate of z. That is 2 plus 3i divided by mod z square. Mod z square is equal to what? 30. Or we can write like this: 2 by 30 plus I into 3 by 13. This is our multiplicative inverse of this complex number. Understand? So the formula to find the multiplicative inverse, that is z inverse, is equal to what? Z bar. Z bar means conjugate of the given complex number divided by mod z square. Mod z square means a square plus b square. Okay. Find the values of z bar and z square. Substitute the values. That is our multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. For 2 minus 3i, 2 by 13 plus I 3 by 13 is the multiplicative inverse. Okay. We can find the multiplicative inverse in another method. This is formula method. So z inverse is equal to 1 by z. Okay. Inverse of this complex number is given by 1 by z. So you can directly find the inverse. So z inverse is equal to, this is another method, 1 by z. What is z given? So that is 2 minus 3i. Okay, you have to find the inverse. You have to simplify this one. How to simplify this one? 1 by minus 2 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 3i. So you have to rationalize. So that is into. So here we have 2 minus 3i. So rationalize ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ opposite ತಗೋಬೇಕು, which means here minus ಇದ್ರೆ it becomes plus. That is 2 plus 3i by 2 plus 3i. Multiply and divide by 2 plus 3i. So that is equal to 1 into 2 plus 3i means 2 plus 3i divided by. So in denominators we have 2 minus 3i and 2 plus 3i. So this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So what is the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? We already know this formula. So observe that this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. In the place of a we have 2. In the place of b we have 3i. So it becomes a square minus b square. So what is a? 2. That whole square. That is equal to, so write 2 plus 3i as it is. Okay, 2 square becomes what? 4. Okay, minus, so here we have 3i the whole square. So 3 square means 9. I square means what? I means square root of minus 1. What is I square? Minus 1. Right? The value of I square is minus 1. So it becomes 9 into what? Minus 1. So into minus 1. This is 3 square becomes 9. I square means minus 1. Or this is equal to 2 plus 3i divided by, so 4. Here we have minus. Here also we have minus. Minus into minus becomes plus. 9 ones are 9. That is equal to 2 plus 3i by 9 plus 4 is nothing but 13. Or you can write 2 by 13 plus I 3 by 13. So this is our Z inverse. Observe that here also we get the same answer. So this method also we get the same answer. So you can use any one of the method. So this is using formula. Z inverse means Z bar by mod Z square. For this you have to find the conjugate, and mod Z square means A square plus B square. If you don't know, or if you do not remember the formula, you can find the inverse like this. That is Z inverse means 1 by Z. 1 by Z means the given complex number. Then you have to rationalize and simplify. You will get the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. Understand? So this is one problem. We move on to the next problem. So the second problem is second question. Minus I. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus I. So Z is equal to what? Z is equal to minus I. So or you can write like this. 0 minus I. Okay, because 0 minus I is nothing but minus I. Then what is the value of A here? A is 0. Real part is 0. Then what is the value of B? So this is of the form 0 plus of minus 1 into I. A plus IB. So what is the value of B? Imaginary part. That is minus 1. So then the multiplicative inverse, Z inverse, is equal to what? Z bar by mod Z square. Right? So then what is Z bar? That is conjugate of the given complex number. If Z is equal to minus I, then the conjugate becomes what? Plus I. Right? So minus I. If here we have plus, you put minus here. So in the question already we have negative sign. So it becomes plus I. This is conjugate of Z. Then mod Z square means what? A square plus B square. Right? So what is the value of A? A means 0 the whole square plus B means minus 1 the whole square. That is equal to 0 whole square means 0 plus minus 1 the whole square means plus 1. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So therefore multiplicative inverse is Z bar by mod Z square. So substitute the values. What is Z bar? That is I divided by mod Z square is 1. So it is nothing but I. So therefore Z inverse is I. So if Z is equal to minus I, the multiplicative inverse of minus I is plus I. Understand? You can similarly you can find in this way also. You only try that. Okay, we move on to next one. So the third problem, find the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. So find the multiplicative inverse of complex number. Z is equal to what? Z is equal to root 5 plus 3i. Right. So here what is the value of A? So this is of the form A plus IB. A is root 5. B is equal to what? 3. So first find Z bar. That is conjugate. If Z is root 5 plus 3i, then its conjugate becomes root 5 minus 3i. Right? That is the conjugate. Then what is that is Z inverse. Write on the formula. Z inverse is equal to Z bar by mod Z square. That is equal to, what is Z bar? This is Z bar. That is root 5 minus 3i divided by mod Z square means this one 14. Or you can write like this, root 5 by 14 plus I minus 3 by 14, because this is of the form a plus ib. So root 5 by 14, I put plus here I, so minus 3 by 14. This is what our multiplicative inverse of this one, that is root 5 plus 3i. Understand? So this is the method to find the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. I hope all of you understand. Okay. So I move on to the next one. So next problem is find the least positive integer, find the least positive integer n such that 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power of n is equal to 1. Find the least positive integer n such that 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. So we have to find the least positive possible integer n. So for that this power n is equal to 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು least positive integer ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ we get the answer as 1. So ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ least ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ for that we have to find the value of n, least positive integer. For that this becomes 1. Okay, so for that first consider this one, just 1 plus I by 1 minus I. First simplify this one. How to simplify? You have to rationalize, that is into. Here we have 1 minus I, so it becomes multiply and divide by 1 plus I. Okay, so in the numerator we have 1 plus I into 1 plus I, that is 1 plus I the whole square, right? Divide by, in the denominator we have 1 minus I 1 plus I. So this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Okay, so what is a here? 1, that is 1 square minus b square. B square, in the place of b we have I, that is I square. Okay, so observe that this is of the form a plus b the whole square, right? So a is 1, b is I. So a plus b the whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So a square means 1 square plus b square means I square plus 2 into ab. A means 1 into b means I. So I just replace the formula. This is of the form a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by 1 square is 1 minus, what is the value of I square? I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1. Okay, so 1 square means 1 plus I square is minus 1. So plus into minus becomes, here we get minus. So minus 1 plus 2 ones are 2. 2 into I is 2I. Divide by, here we have 1. Minus into minus become plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So 2I divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 gets cancelled. We get I. So 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I is equal to what? We get I. So observe that for this one, 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal what? +1. You already know that, right? So for which value of n this becomes 1? So for 4. Understand? So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to find a least positive integer. Okay? Least positive integer n. For that this whole becomes 1 is to 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. That is equal to 1. So for that I consider 1 plus I by 1 minus I. I simplify this one. I get the answer as I. So it becomes I power n is equal to 1. We know that I power 4 is equal to 1. So n becomes 4 because if you substitute n as 4, that is I power 4, you will get 1. So the least positive integer is what? 4. Understand? So the next continuation I will discuss in my next class. Thank you.